Hi there, my name's Sam and welcome to my TypeScript course. This course has been written for JavaScript developers to learn the essentials of TypeScript in a quick, easy and fun way. Throughout the course, we're going to learn how you can set up a project with TypeScript so you can start writing your own TypeScript projects as soon as you finish the course. After that, for the bulk of the course, I'm going to be walking you through plenty of different examples on how you can translate your existing JavaScript knowledge into TypeScript. From start to finish, the course is only 2 hours long, and the ambition is that by the end of it, you should be able to start writing your very own TypeScript projects. So as soon as you're ready to get started, you can scroll a little bit further down this page to see a sample video from the course, just to make sure that it's the kind of thing you're looking for, and then when you're ready to buy, there's a button at the bottom of the screen. Thanks again for checking out the course, and I cannot wait to see you in there.